R1100R rear wheel removal. This has the cross spoke wheels. We need to remove the rear caliper first. There are 2 mounting screws. The forward screw does not have a washer on it. That is because it goes through the bracket for the anti-lock brake speed sensor. The bracket acts as a washer. The bracket also has a little pointer on it. Fits down this way. The pointer goes in front of the rear drive housing. See how that fits? The rear bolt does have a washer. To the other side. Place the transmission in first gear. A bit about driveline play. This is an R1100R. This is in first gear. This is normal. On with the video. Remove your wheel. Real trucks. The sound of real trucks. What is the most difficult part of changing your tire? Is it breaking the bead, removing the tire from the rim, installing the new tire, changing the tire valve? We're going to do that now. The easy way. Minimal tools, minimal effort. If you have new tire valves and you're positive they're the correct ones for your rim, you can go ahead and just snip the old valve right off. Couple of pieces of wood, see? Put it there on the edge of the bead, see? You need something to lever against. You know, ask a truck driver to lever off the side of his fucking trailer. They're not gonna fucking hurt anything. Here you go. Bead's broken. Other side. Bead's broken. Isn't that a fuck of a lot more practical than spending thousands of dollars for a tire machine to break your bead? But you need the tire machine to change the rest of the tire? Why?